Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this tutorial we will learn about destructors in C++. We have discussed about the constructors and how constructors are made, their types, and in this video we will discuss about destructors. It is same as constructors. It is a special member function. It does not take any arguments or any return type, and it is represented by a tilde symbol over here, and it is used to delete the object whenever the object went out of the scope. If you does not pass a destructor yourself, the compiler will automatically call a destructor for you. So let's write it in our code, our boilerplate code, and create a class called parent. I will tell you why I'm using it later on. Public. First of all, we will create a constructor of this class. We write parent and write cout. This is a parent constructor. Handle for formatting, and then we will make a destructor of parent class. For this we will bring the tilde symbol, press shift plus tilde symbol, and this will appear on the screen, and then write parent, and then write parent, and in the parent I am gonna write this is parent destructor. Handle for formatting. Note that it does not take any of arguments and it does not pass any return value, just like the constructor, and it is a special member function. You need to write a semicolon at the end, very important in C++. In the main function we will create an object of the parent class, and that's it. Whenever we'll run our program, first of all this line will be printed on the screen. This is a parent constructor, and when the compiler knew that it is no longer needed, it will delete the object by using this destructor, and this line will be printed on the screen. This is a parent destructor. So now let's run our code. As you can see, there is written this is a parent constructor, and then this is a parent destructor. This line is printed when the constructor is called, and this line is printed when the destructor of parent class is called. I will show you an output question that is very important for both exam point of view and interview point of view, in which you will learn how constructors and destructors are printed on the screen in case of inheritance. So let's create another class. Class child. Child class will inherit from parent class. And we will write here another constructor for child class, child cout. This is a child constructor, and after that we will create a destructor of child class, child cout. This is a child destructor. Semicolon at the end, and in the main function I am writing cout, creating child object, and I'm passing here child object, and after that I'm saying program ended. So I wanted to ask you a question. What will be the output of this code? Which line will be printed first, and then write it in the comment section. So first of all, let's break down this code. So there are two classes, one parent class and one child class. If you don't know about inheritance, don't worry, I'll cover it in the next video. They are parent constructor and parent destructor, and there is then child constructor and then child destructor. And in the main function we are creating the object of child class. So the output of this code will be, first line there will be printed creating child object, then object of the child will be created. When the compiler will come in the child class, it will tell the compiler that there is an inheritance performed over here. In inheritance, this is very important, so listen it carefully. The compiler will go into the parent class instead of child class and print the constructor of parent class first. So the next line will be printed, this is a parent constructor, and after that the compiler will come back into the child class, and then this line will be printed, child class constructor created. Okay, and after that the compiler will come to this line, program ended, and after that object does not need it anymore, so compiler will come back into the child class and will print this line first, child class destructor, and then it will go back into the parent class, say that this is a parent destructor. So this is how this code will be performed. So let's run our code. Control Alt N shortcut for running the code. So first of all, this line is printed, creating child object, then parent constructor is called, then child constructor is called, then this is line written, program ended. I need to format it a bit, and then this line will be printed, that child destructor called and parent destructor called. I need to use an handle over here for better readability. So here you can see that first of all creating child object, then parent constructor called, then child constructor called, then program ended written, and then child destructor called, then parent destructor called. So in the case of constructors, it goes in the ascending order. First it will call from parent constructor, then from the child constructor, and in the case of destructors it will go in the descending order. First child destructor will be called, then parent destructor will be called. So this was all in this video. If you wanted to directly learn coding from me 101, you can check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful in your coding journey, hit the subscribe button and like this video also.